What up, what up, what up, y'all? EZSilent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use WiseCut to get the dead air out of the videos, okay? So I just did a video a few minutes ago, and I uploaded it. You should see it now. I uploaded it. Well, by the time this video come up, it will have been uploaded today before, okay? So I did a video on how I use Pictory, where I got the text message from using ChatGPT. So that's kind of to tell you the sequence of what I did. And so now I'm on the third step that I would do on uploading the videos using AI tools, okay? So on WiseCut, you're able to upload your video and it will get the dead air out, and it was actually zoom in and out for you, okay? So once you sign up for WiseCut, of course, they have different packages. Let me go in here so I can show you. I hope they'll show me. Let's see, my current plan is free, 30 minutes a month. So I get 30 minutes a month on this particular plan. But you can actually upgrade. Here we go. Available processing time. So I got 19 minutes left. So I'm doing a 2-minute video because I don't want to use my time up on this one. So I guess on WiseCut, you get a limited free account, but it's only 30 minutes a month. And then you can get a starter, and then you can get a professional, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go to the home screen. All right, right here. And then this is my project, the very first project I did. So I was playing around with it. So now we're going to add a new project. We're going to add the media that I just did on the last video. See, click and browse. Let's see. I think it's in the downloads. And then we're going to click on the first one. And hopefully this is just a 2-minute video. I think this is the one. All right. Once you upload the video on here, yes, a 2-minute video. All you're going to do is click here to browse. I'm sorry. Once you upload the video, hold on one second. All right. Once you upload the video, and this is a 2-minute video, as you can see down here at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and hit upload file. Once you upload the file, you're going to click next. Once it get through uploading. This one shouldn't take long because it's only 2 minutes. Okay. So once you, and I may fast forward if it take too long. But I will say this is actually a game changer as well. One of the AIs. Again, one of the ones I recommend, of course, is to get your text done between ChatGPT, Writer, or copy.ai. Those are 3 ones that you can get text messages or your script written. I keep saying text message. You get your script written. Then you can go to Pictory, and there's another app that I may do. I think it's called Steve AI. I may compare the two, but right now I do like Pictory. And then after I did that and got the video, some people may not need to do anything to the video. But for me, sometimes I have dead air in it where I got silent for a minute or so forth. And then that's where Wise come into the picture, where I'm able to get the sound, get that dead air out. And it like, you don't have to do anything. So that's why I wanted to recommend this particular product. No, I'm not affiliate with them. I'm not affiliate with ChatGPT. I am affiliated with Pictory, but I actually like it. So that's the reason why I put it up. All right, I'm going to fast forward this for a second.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we back. So once it uploads, again, this is a short video, so I thought it wasn't going to take that long, but it actually did. Once it uploads complete and shows 100% complete, go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, go ahead and name your project, which is this one is how to use WiseCut. All right, that's how I'm gonna name it. How to use WiseCut. Go ahead and put your language that you speak, English, and you can see the things that it's gonna do automatically. It's gonna do the smooth cuts. I'm gonna read each one of them because so people know it aim a smooth cuts, like it's the jumps. It's the jump from cut to cut. It make it smoother. Auto cut silence, all that silent noise. And that's the main reason why I use it, is to get the silence out of my videos. That's the main reason. It's put smart background music in it. I don't use music on mine, but I keep it on here, and I'm going to show you how to take it off when we get over here. Auto duck, I have no idea what that is. This music automatically gets quieter whenever there's a voice, or louder in the absence of the voice. You can turn this off. All right, so that's what that is, y'all. Auto punch in and out. Background noise canceling, you can go ahead and do this. And burn in captures, but I'm not going to burn in my capture, but you can put your captures on so they can go ahead and put it in here, okay? All right, after we do that, we're going to go ahead and hit create project. And y'all, it's in their hands. It literally does everything for you. Literally. So while I'm waiting on that to come through, it shouldn't take too long. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all some of the tools that I was recommended on my last video, which is OpenAI, which is Chat GPT. You're going to go to OpenAI, go to Chat GPT, click on try now, go here, type in what you want to type in. I'm going to do a video on this, but let's say we want to, can you give me, let me say this, can you give me a script for a Chrome extension? I ain't gonna say what kind, but you normally you would say a Chrome extension that does whatever, okay? I'm just gonna see what he say. Here's a script on how to use a Chrome extension. Okay, you give me a script. Okay, so what it is, y'all, he actually see that I was doing YouTube scripts. So he actually just doing a video. He doing a video on the how to install a Google Chrome extension. But that's not what I want to do. So what you can do is do a new chat over here to the right. Go ahead and click on new chat. And that way that subject is totally different, okay? And when you're up here, you can see the different topics that you can try. But let me do it on this one right quick. Can you write me I'm going to put script code so he'll know I'm changing the subject code on creating a Google Chrome extension. So Google Chrome, like this thing is like endless extension. All right, let's do that one. All right, so certain here's an example of background. What do you do? The site is busy. Certainly here's a example of the script for a Google Chrome extension that changes the background color of the current website to red when clicked. So literally, I'm going to do this video next, actually, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and I'm literally going to do this. My next video is going to be on me creating a Google Chrome extension from this particular set of codes right here, okay? For real. So once he get through giving it to me, he tells you exactly what he wants you to do. And sometimes you have to have a little knowledge of coding sometimes. In order to use the script of Chrome, you need to create a manifest. Now, let's say you don't understand that particular part right here. What you can do is just go in here and say, what do you mean by such and such? What do you mean by such and such? Is that a folder? You can just ask different questions, but I know it's to create a folder because I know this, the language of it, okay? I'm going to go back to WiseCut. I'm going to go ahead and go back to home. Let's see if it's ready. He's still working on a project once it's ready. Okay. So they're still not ready. I was just trying to show you a couple of things. And the last thing I want to show you, which I have on the last video, is Pictory. This is where I got that video from, y'all. I mean, this is where the video that you send me right now, putting in the WiseCut, that was that. All right. But let me go ahead and say this. But Pictory is actually good. Let me see. Do I have to answer these questions over? I think that just popped up, y'all. I don't know. Maybe I'm just picking anything right now, okay? Well, I ain't gonna pick anything on that. Let me see. I'm gonna do coaching. All right. I don't like to be notified of anything. Let me show you what I was showing them on the last video. When that video get ready, let me show y'all exactly. I'm gonna go straight to Pictory. This is what I was showing them on my last video. You can just put the text message that OpenAI did. Put the text message script to video in here. You can have a URL. Put a URL in here and then change it into a video. Please, y'all don't copyright. Make sure y'all alter those scripts that come out of the video that come out, okay? You can edit your video using text, and then you got visual to a video. Those are 3 things. This is a nice Pictory AI, I promise you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and because I don't have anything else to say, I'm going to stop it right quick, and I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we back. So, it sent me an email telling me it was ready. So, we're going to go ahead and open up WiseCut. And again, it's just 2 minutes, but the video I did was longer yesterday. All right, so right here, you can see how many seconds. They must was looking at my last video. Okay, because I saw 200 something. All right, you can tell how many seconds of silence they took out. 7 seconds of awkward silence removed. 27 jump cuts created. 96 lines of subtitle created. I didn't need them to create the subtitle because I already had it in there, but it's all cool that they have it. Music that was perfectly fit for my video. Auto enhance for editing technician. Background reduced, noise reduced, and smart close up created with auto pictures. So it'll bring my pictures up. It'll bring my face in and out if I was using if my face was in the video or anything. It's still gonna zoom in and out in spite of on this video. All right, right here you can either edit the project or you can preview and export. We're gonna go ahead and edit because we need to see what it looks like and so forth instead of preview and export. So let's go ahead and just hit edit first. And when you edit, you can actually see the scenes that they removed. Okay, so they removed this scene, they removed that scene, they removed that scene. Okay, so you can kind of see what they removed. All right, now you can click on it right here and just hit play, and you can hear that particular scene.
Welcome to EZSilent Hustle here every day, all day. We hate playing no games.
All right, and I think if I'm not mistaken,
we hate playing no games.
it's just gonna play that particular one.
For all things AI and technology.
All right, y'all, I had to pause it for a minute. My dog came tapping in here, tapping it, tap tap. All right, so like I said, this was the voice of the voiceover, and then on this particular clip, I think this is the one I said something. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Pictory. All right, so again, the video I did last week, the video you saw that's uploaded before this one shows how I used the voiceover for one clip and my voiceover another clip using Pictory. Okay, so you can check that video out before this one. But on each particular scene, you can actually listen to it. You can actually, right here, you can make it longer, the seconds, how long the video lasts. Right, hold on. I didn't mean to play it, y'all. This is actually going to play the whole thing, so I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to pause it. Because the very first one is just to play that clip. This one right here actually plays the entire video. This one right here actually trims the scene, which is what I was on. This one right here, you can actually change the scene audio up and down. You can copy or duplicate this scene. You can add, configure screen framing, big, small, if you want the frame to be like horizontal or vertical. Right here, you can actually change the screen type. So even though that's got a, let me click on this one. Screen type right here, intro screen, default screen. So sometimes this particular one could be your intro could be your outro and it needs to go to the bottom. You can click it and it'll go all the way to the bottom. That's basically what that one is, okay? All right, and I'm actually highlighting so y'all can see exactly that I'm not just making up something. Add overlay scenes. You can actually edit the text right here and then hit check mark once you do it, or you can cut a scene. All right, so we're not gonna do any of that. Literally, this is all you can do once you done with this. Each scene has its own tools that you can use. Same tools, different scenes. Okay, once you do that, you can actually drag it in another order. Let's say you want to drag these scenes in another order. You can turn this on and you can drag it up and down to another scene like that. Turn it off. You can select the scenes that you want in the a short video. Let's say you just want this clip right here to go on TikTok or something like that. You can go ahead and select that little screen and you can download that one particular scene. All right, hold on, and create that product. You'll create the project. So let's say you had 3 scenes. You want 1, 2, like you want this, and this. You want these 2 scenes. Come on. Hold on, y'all. My mouse ain't hitting. Oh, let me do this one. Oh, it's downloading. All right, there you go. All right, you got 2 scenes selected. 1 scene and 2 scenes. I don't know why it wasn't working. And then you create that project for maybe a TikTok video or something. Okay? After you do that, all you have to do now is just go ahead and preview and export. So we're going to go ahead and hit preview and export. And I don't think I want to use my minutes up on this free trial that I have. So let me get that off. I don't think I want to use my minutes, so I'm actually not going to export it. But you can export it with audio and video. and then you can export it with the capture if you want it in there, okay? One thing you can do is you can make sure you got it the original size. You can change it to horizontal or whatever. I'm going to keep the original size. And once you upgrade, you actually can change this and make it 1080p. All right, which is what probably a lot of people do. And export the video. And that's all you have to do, y'all. This is how you use Wise.cut to eliminate some silence in the video. I love this AI tool. And the next one we're going to do is maybe show you how to create a Google Chrome or Midjourney. I don't know. But until next time, EZSilent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all, we ain't playing no games, and we out. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to EZSilentHustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.